Honor Magic V3 foldable flagship with AI power. The slimmer, the stronger. Octagonal dome design, diamond cut finish, dynamic 3D surface. 9.2mm ultra thin, unfold new slimness with mighty performance. AI Honor Notes, real-time translation for multilingual meetings. AI Instant Face-to-Face Translation supports 10 languages. AI Eraser for photo perfection. AI Magic Portal, Smart Intent Recognition. AI Defocus Display, relieving eye fatigue by simulating defocus lens. Honor 5150 mAh silicon carbon battery with Honor AI Power Management System. 50-watt wireless supercharge. Honor AI Hardcourt Portrait captures timeless classics in various styles. Periscope telephoto camera up to 100 times. Dual screen handwriting, free split screen, effortless control. Parallel space, protect your privacy and security. Honor Magic V3 passed rigorous drop tests, worry-free use in any scenario. Scratch and wear resistance, IPX8 water resistance, stable at depths of 2.5 meters. With the magic of AI-driven technology, we merge power and slimness into one. Honor Magic V3 with AI power. The slimmer, the stronger.